Are you working on a new build and ready to install the electrical system? This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, from planning the layout to wiring and testing your circuits. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to get started on your project safely and effectively. Before we dive in, remember to always follow local building codes and hire a licensed electrician for inspections and approvals. If you're excited to learn, hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY construction tutorials. Good planning is the foundation of every successful electrical installation. Create an electrical plan. Start by mapping out where you want outlets, switches, light fixtures, and appliances. Include the main electrical panel and subpanels if necessary. Gather materials. Make sure you have electrical wires, outlet boxes, switches, a circuit breaker panel, and the necessary tools like wire strippers, drills, and a voltage tester. Check local codes. Research and comply with building regulations. You can find local code information online or consult your local building department. You'll find a link in the description to a downloadable electrical plan template. Be sure to grab that to help you organize your layout. Next, let's install the main electrical panel. Choose the panel location. It should be easily accessible and close to where the electrical service enters the building. Mount the panel. Secure it to a wall stud using screws. Connect the grounding system. Attach the grounding wire to the main panel and drive a grounding rod into the earth nearby. This step ensures your electrical system is safe and reduces the risk of electrical shock. Double-check your connections and ensure the panel is firmly secured. This is where things get exciting. Running the wiring through your new build. Drill holes and studs. Drill holes about 1.25 inches from the edge of the studs to prevent accidental nail punctures. Run the wires. Pull the electrical cables through the holes, leaving extra slack at each outlet and switch location. Secure the wiring. Use wire staples to hold the cables in place, making sure not to damage the insulation. Pro tip: label each wire with tape to make connections easier later. If you're finding this helpful, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Now it's time to bring the system together by installing the outlets and fixtures. Install outlet boxes. Position the boxes at the correct height and attach them securely to the studs. Connect the wires. Strip the insulation from the wires and attach them to the outlet and switch terminals. Follow the color codes: black for hot, white for neutral, and green or bare for ground. Mount light fixtures. Attach the fixture to the ceiling box and connect the wires according to the manufacturer's instructions. Take your time with this step, as proper connections are crucial for safety and functionality. Let's wrap up by connecting the circuits to the main panel. Install circuit breakers. Snap the breakers into place within the panel, matching them to the circuits you've wired. Connect the wires. Attach the black, hot, wire to the breaker and the white, neutral, wire to the neutral bar. The ground wire goes to the grounding bar. Label each breaker. Clearly label which area of the house each breaker controls. Before turning on the power, double-check all connections to ensure there are no loose or exposed wires. The last step is to test your system. Turn on the power. Flip the main breaker and test each circuit with a voltage tester to ensure they're working correctly. Inspect your work. Hire a licensed electrician to inspect the system and sign off on your work. This is required by law in most areas. And there you have it, a fully installed electrical system in your new build. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone tackling a similar project. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.